Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. And if you are seeing this face for the first time, please take a moment to subscribe to my channel. So today's video is going to be how I generally do my base makeup or how I make it look flawless. So let's jump straight to the video. So one thing that I would like to tell you when it comes about makeup product is that always invest in a good quality makeup product. So you know what you're putting on your face. I would never suggest you to buy products that are cheap. So you can always invest in products like Maybelline or PAC, or if you want to go little over budget, you can invest in Milani. You can invest in these brands so you know what you're putting your skin through. So let's jump straight into the video. So the first thing that I do is I moisturize my face. So the moisturizer that I'm going to use today is going to be this Vaseline Cocoa Glow Moisturizer, and I'm going to take this moisturizer and warm the moisturizer onto my hands. And I'm not going to rub this moisturizer onto my face. I'm going to dab the moisturizer onto my face. So what happens when you rub your moisturizer in these motions? Your face will start getting wrinkles. So don't do that. Just dab your products onto your face. So I'm done applying moisturizer. So let's move forward. So next thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to prime my face. So the primer that I'm going to use is this L'Oreal Beige Magique primer, and I really like this primer. So I'm going to take this much of the primer. I'm going to apply it onto my face. So I don't really have a lot of pores onto my face, but I'm applying this so that my makeup will last longer. Oops, I got it. So I'm done applying the primer as well. So what primer does is, your primer will hold onto all the products that you put onto your skin, and it acts as a barrier between your skin and the products. So that will keep your skin healthy and glowing, you can say. So let's move on. So the foundation that I'm going to use today is this NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop foundation and this Wet n Wild foundation. So I'm going to mix both of the foundation together. So why I'm doing this? Because this NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop foundation is a full coverage foundation. I don't really like using full coverage foundation on daily basis. So I'm going to mix both of the foundation together to just tone down the coverage just a little bit. So what I would tell you about foundation is that if you want to invest in just one but good quality foundation, so what you can do is invest in a full coverage foundation. So if you want to use that foundation on daily basis, you can tone down the coverage of the foundation by mixing any moisturizer that you like, so that will tone down the coverage of the foundation. And if you have a special event that you want to attend, you can use the foundation as it is. So I have mixed the foundation onto my palm, and I'm using this drugstore company's foundation. I guess I got this foundation from Amazon. Still, I will link down all the products in the description down below so you can check it out. So I'm gonna take the product onto the sponge and start pushing the product onto the skin. So blend your foundation very well. Give your foundation time to blend. Give your blending time. So I am not going to drag the foundation up to my under eye. So when you drag the foundation till your under eye, what it does is, when you apply the concealer, it becomes a lot of product for your under eye. So later on it will cake and it won't really look natural. and that's what we want on daily basis. So I'm gonna give my blending time. I'm gonna blend as much as I can. I'm also going to push the product onto my hairline so it blends in with the hairline. And I'm going to apply rest of the product onto my face. So the key to flawless base is blending and blending. If you do good job while blending, your base will look flawless. So I'm done with blending my foundation, and the next thing that I'm going to do is I'm gonna put concealer on my face. So I'm going to use a lightening concealer that is going to brighten my eyes, and the concealer that I'm using is this Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define Concealer. And I am not going to make a triangular shape under my eyes, as that gives a lot of product to work with, and then later on it starts looking cakey. So what I'm going to do is I am going to apply my concealer just here and here, same thing here. So I don't really have very visible and like dark under eyes, so that does the job for me. So I'm gonna start blending the concealer inwards. Again, I'm gonna give my blending time. I'm gonna blend very properly. Same thing on the other eye. So I'm going to apply the remaining product onto my nose, just to brighten it a little bit. That's it. So moving on, we are going to bronze my face. So I don't really like using contour on my face, so I'm just going to bronze my face. So I'm going to use this Wet n Wild P53 brush, and I'm going to use Rimmel London Natural Bronzer in the shade Sun Glow. So I'm going to take the bronzer, tap off the excess and start applying. Do the same thing on the other side. So I don't like applying contour onto my face when it comes about daily basis. I just like to bronze my face. I'll just apply a little bit of the product onto my forehead to give it some sort of definition, so it doesn't look very flat. Same. So that's it for bronzing. So moving forward, what I am going to do is so I am done with the blush. So moving forward, I am going to use highlighter. So for highlighter, I am going to use this Makeup Revolution highlighter, and this is a beautiful highlighter. It looks so pretty and the packaging feels very luxurious, as you can see. So we will pick the product onto the brush and apply it to the face. So I don't like a very harsh or sharp highlighter onto my face, so I am using this fluffy brush, but if you like a sharp highlighter, you can use a smaller brush. So what I am going to do is I am going to blend all the three together, so it doesn't look like highlighter, blush and bronzer. It feels like it looks blended together. So that is done. And I completely forgot to put powder under my eyes. So that's what we are going to do next. I do it after applying my foundation, concealer, but I forgot to do it. So we are going to do it right now. So for powder, we are using Maybelline Fit Me powder, and I'm going to take the same bronzing brush and I'm going to pick just a little bit. That's a lot. So we are going to tap off the excess, and I'm just going to brush under my eyes. I don't like to bake my under eye, so I'm just going to brush the product. Take little more, again dust off the excess, and just brush under my eyes, my smile lines, and wherever I get cakey. So that's it. I am not going to put powder all over my face, and that's it. So that is it for the tutorial. That's all I do. That's all that I do for my base makeup. You can see. So I'm planning to do a series on this. So I guess we'll be having one video coming out for eyes, one for brows. That's total another thing that I'm thinking. I'll keep you updated on my Instagram. So if you don't follow me there, do follow me there. You will have the links in the description down below. So that's it for today's video. I hope you liked and enjoyed the video, and if you did, please like, share and subscribe the channel. That would mean a lot to me. Till then, take care and stay safe.